The first is having a sales process, and the second is, as much as you can, mandate and require usage. That's not as easy as it sounds, as I know from just sort of talking with our customers and sales leaders. But I think those are the two key things. So having a sales process is key. And that's actually something that you and JT talked about on a recent podcast episode. But having that process where this is what, we within X company do in order to have all of our field sales team members be successful. Like they're going to get to their top tier accounts every 30 days, you're going to prospect this volume of new business, whatever your process is, having that defined. The value of Map My Customers is then it's a tool to help make that a reality. This helps you execute is really what Map My Customers does. If you have that defined sales process, we can help figure out and set up the system to achieve that so that people can easily log their activities and put in the data. That other CRMs are a barrier to use because they're hard to use. Map My Customers is easy to use. And so then we can make sure that, people actually want to use it and they follow through, and then they're getting that data fed through. So having a sales process is key. And then the second thing, again, mandating usage. We've definitely seen some people be successful not using that, but that's really the key. It's, the expectation is that sometimes we hear people say, if it's not an MMC, it didn't count. So we actually have some Map My Customers users who their teams set it payroll goals and different targets. So you need to have certain activities logged. So obviously in sales, the focus is really on what are the outcomes in terms of revenue. And that's the key, it's what revenue people are bringing in. But it's helpful to have some input-based goals. It's like, hey, these are the things that you need to do in order to be successful, and then mandating usage and Map My Customers, and then setting and seeing it's a goal of whether it's activities a week, activities a month, or certain, keeping up with certain large accounts, whatever your particular key metrics are, that those are things that you mandate, and then say that those need to be logged, and Map My Customers are key.